Hi, on my workbench today, a bain-marie from Royal Catering. A device designated for buffets, restaurants, pubs, bistros. Let me just give you an example. It's perfect, let's say, for Italian restaurant where you are having a lot of sauces. So you have like a Napoli sauce, which goes with a lot of pastas. We have a cream sauce. Well, then it comes in handy. You just put it on the section. This device will keep your sauces warm, so you just going on with your ongoing service and ongoing orders. So let me just go through all the details. First of all, you have the completely stainless steel construction. It is a box. As the name suggests, it works like a bain-marie. So what you do, you have two containers. Each container has the capacity of 3.8 liters, an operational capacity of 2.75 liter. And that's quite important to remember because when you overfill it and the thing is hot, it may just go over the edges, right? So it's safer to keep it at this 2.75 liter capacity. But back to the machine. So that's the vessel where you put the water in. There's a marking on the wall how much water it should be. It fits around 1 liter, so let me just put it in. My advice to you is to put already warm water inside. This will save you the time for heating up the liquid. But remember, this device is not for cooking. It's merely to keep the dishes already at the right temperature, right? So always put in hot water. Make sure your dish is also at the right temperature, above 65 degrees. That is the beginning of the safe zone. And, well, then you just drop it in. And let me show you how it works. So I just put in the container right there. It will sit in the water. What I find is a really cool feature is the fact that there are two temperature regulation. This device works with 2 times 150 watts. So there's a heating element for each chamber individually. And each one works with 150 watts. So there's 2 temperature regulation. You can set the temperature between 30 and 110 degrees. Obviously water will not go above 100 degrees. And you rarely will use 100 degrees anyway. This is for the initial heating up. So when you put cold water in it, you just drop it on 110, make sure it's at the right temperature. Then when you drop your food inside, you just turn it down to the desired temperature level. I would normally use, around 65, 70 degrees just to make sure it's in the safe zone and there's no bacteria building up and the sauce is hot. Not more than that because it will still get the sauces or soups or whatever you're keeping inside cooked and overcooked, all right? Okay, so that's about it. The producer of this machine gives you a 3-year warranty, which speaks for itself. Really, there's not much that can break. If it does, don't worry about it. With 3 years, you're pretty safe. Talking about safe, the producer also made sure it comes really nicely packaged in a really sturdy cardboard box with lots of packaging material in it, so it will stay safe on its whole journey to your place. Also inside of the box you will find an instruction manual. Please have a read because there's a lot of useful information on how to use the machine, how to prepare it for its first use, how to clean and maintain it, and so on. So definitely a good read. If you're looking for a bain-marie, just have a look at the website. There's a variety of these machines on offer with just single cylinder, with 3 and 4 cylinders as well. So just have a look, you will find definitely the one that you need for your place. On my behalf, that's about it, what I have to say about this machine. If you found this informative, just leave me a comment in the comment section what other equipment you want me to test and I'll do it for you. I thank you guys very much for watching and I see you next time.